What's up YouTube? In this video I'm going to introduce a fast window switching technique for displays like the Apple Vision Pro, MetaQuest Pro, and other types of head-mounted display systems. If you're new to this channel, I'm Dr. O. I design techniques for augmented and virtual reality systems, and most of the software that you'll see here is open sourced. So today I'm presenting a fast window switching system which is designed specifically for virtual reality devices. In virtual reality, you need a quick way to switch between interactive elements, and using Alt-Tab or a controller can be quite time-consuming. To solve this problem, I designed an eye tracking system that lets you quickly switch between windows just by gazing at icons. So the screen you'll see here is a Unity window, and as you can see, all I have to do is look at each icon and the main window instantly switches to that content. This is just a prototype system, so the textures presented here are examples of what you could actually use in practice. As you can see from the video, this is quite a bit faster than using a controller or mouse to switch between applications. So Apple, Meta, Magic Leap, companies like this will probably be using this as a standard for switching between applications in the future. A basic Unity file and some code samples are included in the links below, so check those out if you want to experiment with the system yourself. Thanks for watching, and shoot me any questions in the comments. Please do hit the like button if you enjoyed this video, and feel free to subscribe if you want updates on cool new tech. Thanks, and have a great day.